Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the patterns I have discovered through the plot function of R program between different mathematical and trigonometric functions like sine theta and cos theta. So let's first define a variable that contains and put values from 1 to 1100 in that variable. You can put any number of values in that variable. You can put 1 to 500, etc. Because we need that variable for taking sine and cos and tangents, etc. of those values. So now let's first define this variable with and then control A so that it can be stored in the variable A or container A. Now let's type this function here in this area, or you can also type it here. If you type the function here, then you will have to press control, holding control, press enter, and the pattern or the plot will appear here. Or you can just type that function here, and then you will just have to press enter. You do not need to press control and then hit enter. Okay, now I am going to run this fourth number line. That is the plot of sine A against cos A. So you will have to press control and then hit enter button. This will produce a circle. Okay, now let's run line number 5. This will produce a pattern like this. Line number 6, line number 7. You can pause the video and you can copy these codes, and then you can run in your R Studio or R program. Let's run this 8th number line. Yeah, this is a good pattern. Line number 9. Wow, this is beautiful pattern. Great. This pattern is between A and the A cos of tangent of A. Then let's run line number 10. This is also a good pattern. Line number 11. This is a good pattern. Let's give some color to this line number 11 function. Color is equal to C of 2 and 4. Good. One of the line will become blue and the other will become red. Now let's run this 12th number line, 13th, line number 14, line 15, line 16, line 17, line number 18. This is like a road, and these are like cars that are running on this road. Okay, now line number 19. This is like oval shape. Line 20. Wow, this is good. This is beautiful. Line number 21, 22, 23, line number 24, 25, line number 26, line number 27, line 28. This is also a good pattern. Line number 29, line number 30, line number 31, 32, line number 33, 34, 35, 36. Yeah, this is good. Beautiful pattern. Line number 37. Wow, this is also a great pattern. Now let's plot an empty area, and then let's plot a polygon now. This time, this is an arrow shape. Again, new area plot. And then line number 41, this will create this pattern. Again, new plot. Why do you need this plot.new? Because for polygon, you always need a plot, an empty plot. That's why I am using this new plot function before running the polygon function. Now run this function. This is like a mesh work. New plot, again a polygon, and then again new plot, another polygon, new plot, another polygon, again new plot. And now let's try a box plot. Sine A depends on tangent A. Yes, an X-like structure. Again new plot, and now let's come back towards plots, the plot function. This will create a diamond shape, this will create an eye shape, an almond shape, an oval, again diamond. This I have curved. This is line number 60 now, 61, line number 63, 63 now, 64. Now let's run this line number 65, line number 66, 67. There, this is great. This is a good pattern. Line number 68, 69 number line, line number 70. This is a beautiful pattern. This is like an egg which has been cut into slices. Line number 71, funnel shape. Yes. Line number 72, another type of funnel. Line number 73, 74. Great. Let's remove the colors from this. Or let me give it a single color, like a red color. Yes, now it's a little clear. And then line number 75, that is pattern number 75, is also a good pattern. Line number 76 is a great pattern. This is line number 76. So plot of cos A and then sine A multiplied by cos A multiplied by cos A. Line number 77. Wow, this is a beautiful pattern. Line number 78. Yes, this is also good, like a butterfly. Line number 79 is also the same shape, but a little different from that. 80, wow. Line number 81, 82, line number 83. Yes, this is great. I am now running line number 84, line number 85, great. 86 is a good pattern, and the last line number 87. Okay, now let's go back towards the first function, that is this one. Plot it, and now let's add something more like CEX, which is the size of the points. So let's increase the size of the points. What happens to this? It becomes like this. Now let's try this again, and now let's increase the size, that is CX, to like 5. Let's try. Wow. Now let's change it to 10. Let's change it to like 14. Wow. This is great. The pattern has changed now totally. 60. Yes. It has become a different shape. Let's make it 70. Yes. Okay, now let's add CX to this shape. Okay. CEX is equal to 10. Yeah. Okay. Now let's add, first run this. No, this is not a good shape. Run this one. Okay, this is good. Let's add CEX to this one. CEX is equal to like 4. Changed. Let me try something else. The PCH. PCH is equal to 2. And again let's CX is equal to 4. Okay. Let's reduce the number of these things. Let's make it 100. And then let's try this again. This will produce a different type of pattern now. And this one, yeah, this is very different now. Now let's increase this x, that is make it 10. Let's make it 50. We will get patterns like that. Now let's make this PCH1 so that it becomes, yeah, wow, great. Oh, what a pattern. Let's, wow, it's a beautiful pattern. Okay, yeah. Okay, now let's try this one. Yeah, let's increase this to 50. Yes, let's put sacks here also, make it 50. Patterns. Let's run this one. Let's make it 40. Okay. Let's try this one. Okay. Let's put CX here and make it 5. Okay. Let's make it 50. Let's make it 100. So that was all for today. Thank you for watching my videos. You can just try different things in this plot function and you can get very beautiful patterns using this plot function with the combination of different mathematical and trigonometric functions. You can also put powers on them, or you can use different types of colors, the sex values or the PCH values. So take care, bye.